Hey there, it's Christina here at Southland RV. I'm excited to show you guys the 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2300 MK. Today I'll quickly show you why this camper is becoming a new favorite. Inside, the Imagine is designed for your ultimate enjoyment. First, relax on the theater dinette, perfectly positioned for entertainment with the LED HD TV. Next, enjoy a truly functional kitchen with a convenient pull-out pantry, making meal prep a breeze. Lastly, enjoy a private bedroom with a 60 by 80 plush queen bed. Beyond the interior, the 2300 MK is built for extended adventures. Enjoy outdoor living with an 18-foot electric awning and benefit from generous RV pass-through storage. Perfect for all your gear and toys. And the universal docking station for easy hookup. Experience quality, innovation, and thoughtful design. Come check it out today here at Southland RV.